The tech industry has a secret problem. Companies are building cloud native applications faster than they can find people to manage them. While thousands of developers fight for the entry level positions, Docker specialists have multiple job offers within days. This skill gap isn't just an opportunity, it's a gold mine. Hey there, I am Subbu and I've spent close to 6 years working with Docker from POC implementations to deploying applications in enterprise environments. Today, I am going to show you exactly how the Docker skills can create career opportunities that many developers overlook. This isn't about small incremental gains. It's all about transforming your entire career trajectory. Let's get started. The tech landscape has fundamentally changed. 5 years ago, knowing a programming language was enough. Today, companies don't just need programmers, they need professionals who understand the modern deployment ecosystems. Let me show you where Docker fits in this new model. Traditional deployment requires weeks, multiple teams, and constant troubleshooting. But with containerization, development, testing, and production environment becomes consistent, portable, and infinitely scalable. That's why Docker has jumped from nice to have to must have on job descriptions across the industry. According to the Stack Overflow's developer survey, Docker is now more widely used than other tools that existed for decades. Docker isn't just a tool, it is a career catalyst that opens the doors to the most in-demand technical roles. For a DevOps engineer, Docker is the foundation that bridges the gap between development and operations, transforming the deployment from a nightmare into a dream. Platform engineers leverage Docker to build systems which the developers rely on, putting them at the center of the technical decision making. Site reliability engineers use Docker to ensure consistent application performance at scale, solving problems that affect millions of users. And cloud architects, they are designing the entire ecosystem where Docker containers are the fundamental building blocks of innovation. Each of these roles represents a career path where Docker expertise creates a disproportionate value, and hiring manager knows it. Let me share some real transformations I have seen in my network. I have seen a traditional backend developer frustrated by limited growth who, after 6 months of Docker specialization, transitioned himself into a DevOps engineer role for better prospects. Another professional used their Docker expertise to shift from quality assurance to platform engineering, moving from executing the test plans to designing an entire deployment pipeline. And finally, a friend of mine who leveraged his Docker skills to move from a startup company to a cybersecurity firm, completely changing the industries while bringing his valuable containerization knowledge. So, how do you actually build the Docker skills the employer is looking out for? Let me break down the roadmap, what I recommend. Start with the Docker basics. Understand containers, images, simple Docker commands. Then master the Docker Compose for multi-container applications. Next, learn Kubernetes container orchestration. And finally, integrate the CI/CD pipelines using Docker. This isn't just theory. Each step is going to build practical skills you can demonstrate in interviews. And moreover, to showcase your expertise, you could build sample projects using these skills. Think about this. Docker skills aren't just another line in your resume. They are the foundation of modern application development and deployment. By mastering the containerization, you position yourself for a better growth in an organization. This isn't just for getting a job. It's about becoming indispensable in an industry where things are constantly evolving. If you have used Docker to level up your career, I would love to hear it. Please share your experiences in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button now to continue your Docker journey with new videos delivered right to your inbox. Let's transform your Docker skills to the next level. See you.